FIAT 500, the classic from 50s and 60s. It's back. So today there's a small light when you open the trunk. This is the light, and just a small incandescent light, and just it's hidden right here, nobody can see it. And of course, when right here on this slot right here, so when you open the light, is not enough. And today I found this one. This is LED, of course, light. I recently went to the junkyard to pick up the AC compressor for my other car. So this was an Ford, van, one of the new ones. And this is the cargo light, and the back has got a 2 or 3, I don't know. So this thing is perfectly fit right underneath this plastic, this right here. It's of course gonna be on the other side, but this is just the plastic hold the shelf. There is a little shelf in the back, nobody used, of course. So the light's gonna be right here, and it's gonna face down, and it's really powerful. The whole trunk is gonna have a diesel light. So to fix that light, you just of course need an extension right here, just a simple connection. Here's the light itself. So easy, you just plug this thing, and of course this is the plastic. It just stays like this, and the light actually fixed right underneath, so it's gonna be hidden, and it's provide a way better light. I mean, like 3 times probably than the original one. And of course we can add a little bit of protection to the cable. These are the shrinking plastic from Harbor Freight Tools. I don't know how much money was that. Fix it a little bit. This is amazing. Whoever came up with this thing, it's just magic. Let's fix the other one. Perfect. Let's see. Both sides. Alright, let's go. Just put it right here over the light. This. Alright, so now it's so easy. Just I came up with the plan. It's so because of this light, like I said, just fit right here, right underneath this thing, so I can't see it. And it's gonna stay like this. Alright. So now the original, right on top of this, it's a rubber thing, so just stay right here. When you close the shelf in the back of the car, just lay down. So we're gonna remove this one, and where is the where's the name? I can't find it. Well, the bolts. Oh, it's right here. So right here, this little screw right here fits exactly at that hole in there. So here's the final assembly. So see that, you can see that the screw on top. It's so easy, you don't have to drill anything, you just put a little screw. So this thing's gonna stay right here, like the other one, of course. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, so it's gonna stay right here. The light face down, and it's so powerful. I just tried it. So this is the final product of the Fiat. When you open the door and look at the light, you can't see the light. It's not bothering you, but look at this. Such a good light. And like I said, this is from Ford van. I don't know exactly what it is, but it was a van in the junkyard. Yep. This is it. This is perfect light.